Imagine person A exercises regularly, while person B exercises regularly and also follows a strict diet plan. Who do you think will be healthier? Yes, you are right. Person B, exercising regularly helps. But studies show that when it comes to being healthier, proper diet is more important than exercise. Similarly, imagine person A invests regularly, while person B invests regularly and also follows a strict asset allocation. Who do you think will be wealthier? Of course, person B. Studies show that proper asset allocation is more important than any other factors. Your body has different needs and it requires different nutrients to fulfill those requirements. Proper diet plan based on your age and body profile can help you to stay healthy. Your portfolio also has different needs and it requires different asset class to fulfill those requirements. Proper asset allocation based on your age and financial profile can help you to stay healthy. How do you decide the proper allocation in each asset class? Answer is very simple. Take the help of a professional who can create a proper plan for you based on your requirement and profile. Remember, asset allocation is the key to wealth creation.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.